As the weather changes, there is nothing like a hot, spicy cup of tea to make your day. Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. Hello everyone. Today I will be sharing a recipe for a delicious spicy tea that's perfect for this changing weather. Not only will it tantalize your taste buds, but it will also take care of your health. Anyone can make tea, but making good and strong tea is an art. So let's get started. I'm making 3 cups of tea here. In this tea recipe, flavors are very important. So for 3 cups of tea, I have used 2 cardamoms, 2 cloves, 1 small stick of cinnamon, 2 black pepper if you have a cough or cold, and about 2 inches of ginger. We will coarsely crush the cardamom, cloves, cinnamon and black pepper to bring out the aromas of it. It's very important to crush the ginger. Don't grate it or your tea will become bitter. There is also a specific point to add the ginger. Here I am using 2 cups of water and 2 cups of milk, and I have taken the milk out of the refrigerator ahead of time so it can come to room temperature before I use it. That's it. Our tea preparation is done. First we will take a saucepan, and for 3 cups of tea I will add 2 cups of water here. We will put it on high flame to bring it to a boil. And what will happen on high flame? Quicker the water boils, the better it is for you, because you have to do a process called infusion in boiling water. It means the flavorful ingredients like cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, black pepper, ginger will infuse their flavors into the water, which is very important as it forms the base of the tea. It's time to add the aromatics. Let's drop in the lightly crushed cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, black pepper and ginger into the boiling hot water. Now we will let the magic happen and allow it to infuse for at least 3 minutes. As soon as the water color becomes this nice, add on 3 teaspoons of tea leaves. You can use any brand of tea leaves you prefer. Remember, when you add tea leaves to milk, it doesn't release as much color as it does when added to water. Now look at this. As soon as I add the tea leaves, they started releasing a nice color and fragrance. This is very important when you add the leaves to hot water. As soon as the tea settles, add sugar at the same time. Add 3 teaspoons of sugar along with the tea leaves, because if you add it with milk, it will thin out the milk and you won't get the perfect tea. If you want to make strong tea, add sugar with the tea leaves. Now let it cook for 3 minutes on medium-low flame. As soon as it's nicely boiled, stir it once. The spoon helps the flavors spread evenly throughout. After that, we will add 2 cups of milk that we have kept at a room temperature with the flavorful water that's infused with tea leaves, ginger, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon and black pepper. You just need to cook it until it's nicely boiled, and then cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes with the milk. Since it's on medium flame, you will need to use the spoon frequently to lift and pour the tea. By stirring it up and down with the spoon, you will ensure that the flavors mix well and the temperature remains consistent. Now you can see the color of the tea has turned out really nice. This gorgeous color is a result of the perfect balance of spices, milk and tea leaves coming together in harmony. Okay, so after 2 to 3 boils, turn off the flame. Now it's time to strain the tea and unlock its rich flavors. Aroma is very important, because as soon as the cup of tea comes near your nose, you should be able to smell its fragrance. Then you will make a perfect cup of tea. So here is a fantastic recipe for a strong and flavorful tea that you can make at home. I can confidently say that whenever you make this tea, you will get consistent result. Listen to the sound of bliss. If you think I have made your day by this recipe, and as a token of appreciation for my hard work, please subscribe to my channel. Like this video and do share with others, and let me know in the comments which city or country you are watching from so I can thank you personally. Thank you for joining me. Stay healthy and happy.